If the microwave oven is not heating, the service ambassador should carry out the following checks in order to detect the problem and rectify it. First and foremost, check the output voltage on the power point. If the output voltage is low, educate the customer accordingly. But if the output voltage is normal, that is 220 volts to 240 volts, and the microwave is still not working, then check the input voltage on the fuse and the TCO. If the input voltage is not available on the fuse and the TCO, then the power cord is faulty. Replace the power cord. However, if the input voltage is present but the microwave is still not working, check the output voltage on the fuse. If output voltage is not available on fuse, it means that the fuse is blown off. Replace the blown off fuse with a new fuse. However, if output voltage is available on the fuse and the microwave is still not working, then check the output voltage on the TCO. If output voltage is not found on the TCO, that means the TCO is faulty. Replace the faulty TCO with a new TCO. But if the output voltage is available both on TCO and the fuse, and the microwave is still not working, then check the continuity of the primary switch with the microwave door closed. If continuity is available on primary switch, then the primary switch is okay. But if there is no continuity on the primary switch, then the primary switch is faulty. Replace with a new primary switch. Now, if the microwave is still not working, then check the continuity of the monitor switch with the microwave door closed. If continuity is available on the monitor switch, then it is faulty. Replace the monitor switch. If there is no continuity on the monitor switch, then it is okay. If the microwave still does not begin to work, then check the continuity of the secondary switch with the microwave door closed. If continuity is available, then the secondary switch is okay. However, if no continuity is found on the secondary switch is faulty. Replace with a new secondary switch. Now, if the microwave still does not begin to work, check the input supply on the control board. If input supply is available on the control board, but the control board display is not working, then the PCB could be faulty. Replace the control board. But if the input supply is available and the control board display is working, but microwave is still not working, then check the input supply on the HVT or the high voltage transformer. If input supply is not available on HVT, then there is some fault with the control board. Replace the control board. However, if input supply is available on HVT, then the control board is in working condition. Now, if the microwave still does not begin to work, check the resistance on high voltage transformer, primary, secondary, and the filament. If the HVT primary winding resistance is 2.4 ohms and the secondary winding resistance is 0.3 ohms and the filament resistance is 168.4 ohms, then the HVT is okay. If the resistance of any of these is less or if the resistance is not present, then HVT is faulty. Replace the HVT with the new HVT. But if the HVT is in normal working condition and the microwave still does not begin to work, then check the continuity on the HV socket or the fuse. If continuity is available on the HV socket or the fuse, then the HV socket is okay. But if there is no continuity available on the HV socket or the fuse, then replace the socket or the fuse. If the socket is in normal condition and the microwave is still not working, then check the resistance on the HV capacitor. If the resistance is 10.3 mega ohms, then the HV capacitor is okay. But if the resistance is very low, high, or if the resistance is not present at all, then the HV capacitor is faulty. Replace the HV capacitor and put a new capacitor. If the HV capacitor is okay and the microwave is still not working, then check the positive and the negative of the HV diode by reversing the multimeter probes. The resistance should be 11.6 mega ohms. If the resistance is much lower or not available at all, then the diode is faulty. Replace with a new diode. But if the HV diode is okay and the microwave is still not heating, then check the resistance on the magnetron. The resistance on the magnetron should be less than 1 ohm. If resistance is more than 1 ohm or not present on the magnetron, then there is some fault with the magnetron. Replace with the new magnetron. The service ambassador has now carried out all the checks one by one to detect the problem. The microwave will now begin to work.